कृष्ण भक्ताय तद्भक्ता श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। So today I have no question. I saw there is no question, so we can go ahead to our class now. Yeah, no question from anyone. Anyway, so if you like to send question, you can send to my WhatsApp. You can get my WhatsApp number from Murthy. Anyway, yesterday I forget where I said, কৃষ্ণের প্রতিজ্ঞা দৃঢ় সর্বকালে আছে, যে জয়ীছে ভজে কৃষ্ণ তারে ভজে তৈছে। এই প্রেমের অনুরূপ না পারে ভজিতে, অতএব ঋণী হয় কহে ভাগবতে। So ভক্তের ভজন গাঢ়তা, how much we have deep love, accordingly Krishna appear to us or giving us blessings or engage us to serve him accordingly. This is the explained by Bhaktivinoda Bhakter भजन गाढ़ता तारतम्य कृष्ण भक्ति लाभ्यो तारतम्य means bhaktir service according to our service attitude Krishna bhakti labhe taratanya, we are getting that service attitude, and according to our service attitude we are getting that much devotion. Krishna is giving that much devotion, so therefore we should try our best to increase our devotion. I think yesterday we are reading about Srila Prabhupada's Anubhashya in this regard. Krishner pratigya dridha sarvakale ache. Krishner pratigya, Krishna promise in every time. What he promised? Je joiche bhaje. According to our service attitude, Krishna tare bhaje toiche. Krishna engage his services accordingly. Krishna engage us his services accordingly. Okay, so किंतु এই সকল বলচিত চাই। Yeah, I think I read yesterday accordingly, this much. So whatever we have conception about us, the different God and Goddess's name, and so everything is same, and equally same. There is no difference. Like Kali, Durga, Shiva, Ganesh, Ram, Hari, Brahma, all type of prayer is equal to everyone. Yeah. So Srila Prabhupada says, কিন্তু এই সকল কথা বালোচিত মনোধার্মিক ব্যক্তিগণের মনোরঞ্জক হইল, সারগ্রাহী ব্যক্তিগণ উহা কুসিদ্ধান্তপূর্ণ বলিয়া মনে করিয়া থাকেন। Means this monodharmi means, people, they are thinking, whatever they are thinking in mind, they are thinking that is Lord revealing, Lord actually revealing such understanding to worship Him or to serve Him. So this is like a monoranjak. Mind can be satisfied accordingly, because nowadays many people are thinking all the gods and goddesses, different gods and goddesses, worshipping gods and goddesses, all are same. We can go the same direction, same place. I think I explained yesterday, I forget that if you have boarding pass USA, but Chicago, you cannot go to US, New York with that boarding pass. You have to go to Chicago only. If you have boarding pass to go to Holland, then you can go only that, we can board only that flight, which flight going to Holland. In this way. So, if you worship all that god and goddesses, you have to go to Devilo, not like Golok. And when you chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, then definitely you will go back to Golok Vrindavan. Yeah, in this regard, I like to give you a perfect example which happened just, I think that's just like 70, 80 years ago. And Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta physically passed when? 1937, 1st January. That means 64 and 84 years ago. 84 years ago. Maybe it's happened around 90 years ago. This happened. There is a Prabhupada disciple name is Ram Goti Prabhu. Ram Goti Prabhu from Assam. Assam, one state in India. And Ram Goti Prabhu, he was really, really attractive, and he felt attraction towards Lord Srila Prabhupada. When Srila Prabhupada was in Sarbhag, one town in Assam, there also Prabhupada's temple is there. Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta temple is there, still is there, under control by Bhaktivedanta Madhava Goswami Maharaj. And also I heard there is a teeth samadhi of Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada's one teeth in that temple. Teeth samadhi, means Danta samadhi. So anyway, so Prabhupada was in Sarbhag preaching, and Ramgati Prabhu from Assam, he also came to visit that one holy person came, holy saint came for preaching. As soon as he saw, and he felt attraction to Srila Prabhupada, and Srila Prabhupada gave him, and he approached for initiation, he gave him initiation. But in India, family controlled by wife. India, family controlled by wife. So Gramakatma was 3, she was not accepting the initiation. Means initiation, initiation rules, regulation, she doesn't allow him to follow. Just like a quarreling, giving so many obstacles not to follow all the rules and regulation. So naturally, the Ramgati Prabhu felt depression Because he promised to his guru the rest of his life, and he is not able to follow because of wife. So anyway, with such depression, he becomes sick and then he passed time. Yeah, this is past time, physically past time. According to our Indian tradition, as soon as we die, all the family members together, they will take the dead body to cremation ground as soon as possible. Not like a Western world, 1 week caffeine in the cold, frozen place. Not like that. Immediately, as soon as possible. Like recently, last 7th April, my mother physically passed at 7, and my brother took him to the cremation ground from home at 12. And 1 o'clock he reached cremation ground, and 5 first one, his body started to cremate. And 1 hour finished cremation finished. Similarly, accordingly, all these things are going on. So, before, because now the electric, but that time was all firewood. He kept firewood. On top of the firewood, he kept the Ramgati's body. And then they are going to, all the ritualistic things they finish. Just going to cremate his body. Just a few minutes before, his body became alive. We have superstition that if dead body alive, that means ghost inside his body. So due to foolishness, so they are trying to bring on a bamboo, to just kill him again like that. So as soon as they attempt that type of things, then he says, "Hey, stop. I am that same person, Ramgati Prabhu. Don't think in my body there is any ghost. I am same Ramgati Prabhu. Believe me, don't try to beat me and kill me. Please allow me to speak to you, all of you." Then he said, "Yeah, I physically passed away. It is true. Also, it is true, I come back. I like to explain you what exactly happened when I went to abode of Jamaraj, god of death. God of death, this abode, such a ferocious, ugly, surrounding atmosphere. I completely fearful. Jamaraj, look, that I have some pious credit, Sukriti. But what pious credit? Sukriti. He is not able to find out. He was asking so many questions in this regard, but out of fear I am not answering anything. But as soon as he asked me, "Who is your guru?" Then I just answered, Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada means Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. As soon as he said, say that Srila Prabhupada, to what? In maybe 1930 or 1930, something happened. So immediately, he sent me back here. So this life, is not anymore with you. Because this life, I got it back. It's a new life. This life back because of my Gurudev. So when I was in my home, you people not allow me to follow my Gurudev footsteps. So I don't like to waste my time. So look, whatever happened, but I don't like to waste my time anymore. I like to go to my Gurudeva's temple and spend over there. So Lord arranged accordingly for Ramgati Prabhu. After the incident, 12 years, yes, listen carefully, 12 that Ramgati Prabhu was in the temple and chant, sincerely service, render so many service, then he physically expired. Why I am telling you, so if you take shelter of, we are taking shelter of spiritual master accordingly. If you want like parampara, papar guru, then Lord will take you accordingly to that parampara, papar guru. If you want opulence guru, the Lord take you that opulence guru. You can have opulence. But no, like if you want to be heavenly comfortable life, then Lord take you to the God and goddesses. They have nice monodharmi katha. Monodharmi means what is good for people's mind. Such type of instruction, doctrine, you can get it, you can follow it, then you can reach accordingly. So everything arranged by Lord. Therefore, our previous teachers, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Pad, in Chaitanya Charitamrita, he says, Krishna Bhakti Janma Mool Hoy Sadhu Sango. The root of Krishna Bhakti is the association of sadhu. Therefore, we have to know which real sadhu. Real sadhu, according to Srila Prabhupada's Bhaktivinoda Thakur explanation, real sadhu is that person who is chanting. But category of sadhu depends on how much we have taste of chanting. Taste of chanting, faith of chanting. So everybody can understand what is the category of our sadhu's quality. You are sadhu, you are chanting, you are sadhu. But what category you have? Through your own much faith you have. Really you have faith to chant 1 lakh, means 64 round. Or you like to chant like 4 round. Or you like to chant 16 round. Whatever, all you are sadhu, but category different. So I want as much as you can uplift my category. You want what you want, you can get it. You can get blessings from Lord, blessings from Nama Prabhu, means holy name, and you can progress yourself of chanting. As soon as you chant, then you can see all the tiny material attachment is passing away. This is the result of chanting. So anyway, the Srila Prabhupada says, Bhagavad Vimukini Maya Shakti, whenever we are keeping that desire to get heavenly comfortable life, And therefore we are worshipping different god and goddesses. The Prabhupada say, Bhagavad Vimukini Maya Shakti তাহাকে ওই সকল আধিকারিক দেবতাতেই শ্রদ্ধারূপ ফল প্রদান করিয়া তাকে অত্যান্তিক মঙ্গলরূপ ফল হইতে বঞ্চিত করিবেন এবং জনম মরণমালায় কর্মচক্রে কভু স্বর্গে কভু মর্তে ভ্রমণ করাইবেন. This is very clear. Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta says. Bhagavad Vimukini means which potency is taking us away from Supreme Lord. Taking us away from Supreme Lord, like heavenly comfortable life. We are breaking. Worshipping like Durga, we are begging that. So when you have such tendency, so Lord will inspire you to go to Durga, go to Kali, go to any other and beg only that prayer. But if you really want to be devotee, Lord can bring you all those God and goddesses, Deva and Devi. But Lord will inspire you to beg from that God and goddesses. Just give me Krishna Bhakti only. Just differently. When you beg Krishna Bhakti, when you ask Krishna Bhakti from them, they will bestow their mercy on us and helping us to increase our bhakti. And if you ask some material comfort, they will give you also the same thing. In that way, you can see in our Chaitanya Charitamrita, in the Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Pad says one place, Krishna jodi chute bhakti mukti diya, kohu bhakti nadan rakhen lukaiya. Bhakti, bhog, enjoyment, heavenly life, comfortable life, enjoyment, if you want, and in your practice, then you will inspire accordingly and pray accordingly. All the God and goddesses give you that. And mukti, liberation, merge with the Lord, whatever. Kabhu Bhakti Nadan means never ever give us the bhakti which will take us to Golok Vrindavan, allow us to serve Radha Krishna. Never. Even we are sannyasis, don't think, oh, I got sannyasi back to Godhead. Never. Dress sannyasi, okay. Ravan dress sannyasi dress. But his object to kidnap Sita. His object only one, kidnap Sita, for that sannyas. So nowadays, especially me, my purpose, sannyas purpose is like this, comfortable life. Without capital, very nice business. Guru business, sannyas business, very nice business. So we are always begging to Lord, Lord, please give me so many temples, many disciples. Lord, give us many disciples, rich, not poor, very rich disciple, like Vasudev Prabhu, very rich. So, giving so much, so many, like Vasudev Prabhu surrounding us. So I feel, oh, look, people are, this is the style of preaching nowadays. the style of preaching nowadays. So we are showing the mass that look, so many disciples. So whenever we have the tendency to show anything, our opulence, that means Mahadevi captured our mind. We want opulence, not Madhuryo. Gaur Krishna Das Babaji Maharaj, in order to make people understand, he is not that much elevated, how much they are thinking. He is low class than everyone. Therefore, surrounding his kutir means heart, small heart he used to stay. And that heart he kept surrounding fish bone, eggs peel, meat bone, different type of meat bone, onion peel, garlic peel surrounding. So people are thinking he is a great sadhu, elevated sadhu. When they look surrounding, he is eating that. So that means our idea is wrong. So go. No need to. But he was not like that. People are thinking to see all those things. Actually, he want to make people fool and create his more time to think about Lord. But nowadays, we can see to whom we think elevated. They have no time to think about lot of things. They are always meeting people and thinking this is a preaching program. But we know, Mahaprabhu says, Aponi achari dharmo jivere shikhai, aponi na koile dharmo shikhano na jai. Aponi na koile dharmo shikhano na jai. Means, if first of all, if you really want to teach people, you have to practice. When teaching by example, that is the instruction of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Means Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta, he non-stop chant every day 64. Every day 64. Not 16, not 8, not 4. Every day minimum 64. Yes, minimum 64. That I heard from my spiritual master, because he was closely with Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta. More than 15 years. 21 to 37, 1st January, how much? 15 years. 15 years he is closely with Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta. He told me that Prabhupada used to chant every day 64, because it was instructed by Mahaprabhu. If you really want to serve him, you have to chant 64. So therefore I am telling you, my tendency, we have to meet people more and more and more. And this is the instruction of Mahaprabhu. Preaching. Right? So, meeting people like a preaching. So, I am doing for Mahaprabhu's satisfaction. Actually, my tendency to get more people means more appreciation, more pocket towards me, and I can lead luxury life. Anyway, this is mine. I am not telling for any other sannyasis. So my spiritual master, as soon as As soon as Guru, Sannyasis, anyone, they says, oh, I have such opulence. I have such opulence. I am making such. I am behind me so many disciples. That means he is a trap of Maya. I used that before. I am a trap of Maya. Means Maya captured me. Maya captured me means I control my lust, control my anger, control my greed, everything except name and fame. This dry manner, suskarupi, dry manner, it is there. And name and fame, Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta, what he said? What he said, Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta? It's a stool of a hog. Pig, yeah. Stool of pig. Just think about it. So therefore I am telling you, don't think I am sannyasis, so I am elevated. I am guru, I am elevated. You know, I am elevated or not, that I know. So anyway, and if you are really sadhu, you can, Lord will reveal to your heart, I am elevated or not. In Bengal, there is a proverb that Johuri Johorachane, Sona Vyapsayi, gold merchant, they know what is diamond, what is gold. You cannot make him fool. Similarly, if you become elevated Vaishnava, you can understand who is elevated. The doctor can recognize who is good doctor and bad doctor. I cannot say. I am a layman to choose a doctor. But doctor, like when my spiritual master was in physically bad condition, then I called one doctor named Subal Sakapu from our town. According to your Gurudeva's physical condition, to put him under Sheetal Ghosh, Dr. Sheetal Ghosh. He is the topmost mediciner in Asia. Really, I went there, I asked him, where we can get it? Get it. In Kothari nursing home. And under his treatment, Gurudev was Gurudev pneumonia, Gurudev got pneumonia, it became okay. Anyway, so, this, don't feel discouraged, rather feel enthusiasm to chant and be elevated yourself. But don't feel puffed up. As soon as you feel puffed up, then down. Because ornament of humility. Ornament of Vaishnava practice is humility. Therefore, Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj gave us such example. Bhaktivinoda Thakur was such elevated. He has family, 13 children. You people become fed up with one or two. But 13 children, give them education and maintain his official job. Post our responsibilities in his office, and out of the responsibility to compose more than 100 books. More than 100 books. Yes. Because how I know it, you may say, you may think about it. But I heard it from my spiritual master. When he was, he's met Bhaktivinoda Thakur 3 times in his life. Even he met Bipin Bihari Goswami, his Gurudev also. Bhaktivinoda Gurudev Bipin Bihari Goswami, he also met. When he was 12 years old, he met Bipin Bihari Goswami, Bhaktivinoda Thakur. This is the last darshan of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. When he was 12 years old, means 1912, 14-year-old, not 12, 14-year-old. The Gurudev 14-year-old, after 2 years, Bhaktivinoda Thakur physically passed away. He told me that. You don't know Bhaktivinoda Thakur. You don't know him. Simplicity means what? No? So he met with them, he got their blessings, and sometimes he shared with us. So anyway, so I think you understand why Prabhupada said Bhagavad Vimukini Maya Shakti Tahake Oishakal Adhikarik Devotati Shraddharup Phal Pradhan Koriya তান্ত্রিক মঙ্গলরূপ কৃষ্ণ ফল হইতে বঞ্চিত করিবেন ও জনম মরণ মালা কর্মচক্র প্রভু কবু স্বর্গে কবু মর্তে ভ্রমণ করাইবেন. Means when we have such tendency to become towards to get comfortable life, for enjoyment, get recognition, mundane worship, tendency, the Lord engage us engage us with such God and goddesses, and rejecting us His real mercy, and He's giving us deception mercy. Deception mercy, yes, this word, deception mercy, and then that is the result, that deception mercy result is pulling us here, Kabu Sarge, sometime heaven, heavenly comfortable life finish, then Kabi Morti in material world. In this Moronjot, Kabu Mortiya. World, where people are dying quickly. That world. This cycle, 8,400,000. 8,400,000 cycle moving, different body, some bird, sometime snake, sometime tree, sometime aquatic form, sometime animal form, and very rare time human form. So my suggestion is this: hold Srila Prabhupada's lotus feet, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur lotus feet. If you hold him, then all his disciples, they'll be happy on you. Grand disciple like me, I don't know I am his grand disciple or not, but at least pretending like I am his grand disciple by the relation, I am so happy. If anyone just surrender to Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta, that make me happy. Also make happy to Gaur Krishna Dadaji Maharaj, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, all the parampara will be happy. Think about it, what you will do, what you are going to do. So, সুতরাং যিনি যেভাবে ভজন করুন না কেন তিনি ভজনানুরূপ ফল প্রাপ্ত হইবেন সত্য. Therefore, whatever our service tendency to Lord, so Lord giving us result accordingly. It is truth. কিন্তু ইহা বিশেষভাবে লক্ষ্য করা উচিত যে সকল ফল সমান নহে. But we have to carefully look. This all all the benefit is not same. Devi log, Kailash log, Shiva log, if you worship Shiva, you have to go to Shiva log. But if you worship Shiva and beg mercy, please give me Krishna Bhakti, then Shiva will send you. I think I explained yesterday. I born in Smarto family. Our family have 400 years old Kali temple. Still, it's not like it was. Still, it is exist. But my maternal grandfather inspiration, I used to pray to that Kali. Give me Krishna Bhakti. He taught me. Why not? You go there, pray to that, but don't take there any prasad. Because those Brahmin, they are not following principles. They are worshipping goddesses. They are separate God, not like a servant of God. So therefore, I never take their prasadam, but I used to go there, paying obeisance and beg. Still, if I go to my village, always I am going to that Kali temple and begging Krishna Bhakti. Even one day in my trip, whole trip, I will be in that Kali temple as giving discourses there and pray to Kali temple like this, giving Hari Katha. কিন্তু ইয়া বিষয় কিন্তু ধর্ম অর্থ কাম মোক্ষ কামের ফল এবং নিত্য অহিতুকী কৃষ্ণ প্রাপ্তির ফল এক নহে। ধর্ম রিলিজিওসিটি, অর্থ মানি, কাম desire fulfilling, moksha liberation, this four, that and nitya ahituki Krishna seva, eternally without any reason desire to serve Krishna, that two benefit is not same. For dharma artha kama moksha, whatever you beg, whatever you have desire, Lord giving us. But ahituki Krishna means causeless mercy, causeless mercy, to get causeless mercy, which is nitya ahituki, eternally causeless mercy to serve Krishna. That benefit is not same. Am I clear? We can go to Krishna, but if we beg some type of material desire, fulfilling material desire, dharma, artha, kama, moksha, liberation, financially solvent, dharma, religiosity. So it's not the same benefit. ধর্মাদির ফল নশ্বর, স্বর্গাদি সাযুজ্য, মোক্ষাদির ফল আত্মা বিনাশাদি। ধর্মাদির ফল নশ্বর. If you follow any religiosity, is nashar, gradually destroy. Like dan dharma. If you just, like nowadays coronavirus, this FCRA department sent me the message. We have to, because we are NGO, we have to give. Therefore I am just sending money to different villages, whatever I am. Not so much, 100 packets, which 20,000 rupees cost. Sending one village. Like 2 days ago, from Jagannath Puri, this demand come 5,000 packet. And I said, I don't have money, how to do? 5,000 packet means we need plus more than 2 lakh rupees. Who can give me that 2 lakh rupees? Now I am suffering here. 30 people we are stuck here. We are thinking how to run tomorrow. How can I feed 5,000 people? 5,000 packet means too much money. So, dan dharma. As soon as period finish, boom, back to again material world, suffering. Therefore, nasar. Nasar means destroying gradually. Sargadi. Yeah. Because sarga means heaven. That benefit finish, boom, finish. Sajujya mokshadir fall. Sajujya, merge with the Lord. Moksha. So, this is not possible to merge with Lord. Actually, one ray of effulgent ray, we are merging. The Lord say, you are not in your identity. Go back. Yeah. Again, come back. Our identity, we are servant. Here, go. One ray. Actually, we have to know. Like Prabhupada, Bhakti Siddhanta. Yes, sometimes I say, Prabhupada is a ray of Radharani's eyes. One ray of Radharani's eyes. Nayanamani. He is here. What he does? Everything. Teaching by example. How to serve Krishna. Service, he said. So, think about it. Moksha Atmo Vinashadi. Therefore, the moksha is called Atmo Vinashadi. Soul destroying their real identity and finish. Again. অহিতুকি হরিসেবা উত্তর ফল অহিতুকি হরিসেবার উত্তর ফল নিত্য নব নবামান হরিসেবা লাভ বা ভগবত প্রেম অহিতুকি unconditional or causeless. If we serve Lord, then you get Bhagavat Prem. Bhagavat Prem, causeless, chanting without any material desire. Only desire is, oh Lord, engage me in your service. As soon as we are chanting, then now Chintamani means thoughtful feeling, stone. You know, the Shastra says, Namas Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasabi Nitto Mukto Nitto Siddho Nitto Mukto Namna Abhinnatma Namo Namine Abhinnatma. There is no different name and embodiment of holy name. It is no different. And Nama Chintamani. Whatever you think during the chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, it is fulfilling that desire. That thinking going to fulfill. Namas Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha. Full of mellow is there. Whatever mellow you want to be Dasharas, you can have. Sakharas have. Vatsalas have. Madhuras also have. Kantava have. If you want to material opulence, whatever you think during the chanting, you will get it. But intellectually, if you want to apply the holy name, think about, oh Lord, I want your service. Because that is our real identity. Maybe we have nice, comfortable life now, but karma, we are getting every day on karma. Karma will dragging us towards that direction. Which direction? not our direction. Therefore, always we have to think about our karma's consequence. So, ahit ki hari seva uttor phal, nitto navayaman hari seva labh bhagavatyam. Nitto navayaman, every day new navayaman, newer such type of form. You know, fresh body means no old body, no back pain, no knee pain, no rheumatic pain, just no eye vision, less vision, no hear, no no any kind of hearing aid, just like a fresh, every like youth people, what they think, body first class, same, you have to always, they are always wearing dress. Similarly, you will feel that fresh mood and mood of service, Bhagavat Prem, with love. ধর্মার্থকামী নির্বিশেষ মুক্তিকামী ও হরিসেবা তৎপর ব্যক্তির ফলে আকাশ পাতাল ভেদ বর্তমান সন্দেহ নাই. Therefore, Prabhupada says there is a difference of all those people who is dharma, artha, kama, moksha following, and who want that causeless mercy to serve any reason, just causeless. There is this two benefit, hell and heaven different. Akash patal. Akash means sky, patal means patala loko. This is asman jagit. There is no doubt there is a difference. Don't think that everybody is same. Srila Prabhupada want to say like that. So, je joiche bhaje, Krishna tare doiche, tare bhaje doiche. Je joiche bhaje. Whatever our service mode, Krishna accordingly arrange for us like what we are supposed to keep the service mode. If you want to open one kitchen, a restaurant, selling food, Krishna will arrange you, selling food. If you want to just hold every day chanting, doing Madhukari, Krishna also arrange. You can see so many near the Govardhan hill, surrounding Vrindavan, you can see. They are also, surrounding people also, there such type of people, Krishna give them chapati. Each sadhu come, chapati, ready. This is my experience. Year 2000, no, that is Guru Maharaj there. Year 1993. How many years ago? Maybe 27 years ago, first time I do Madhukuri in Anor village. Anor village, near Govardhan Hill, Govindakund. Anor village. I was really hungry because 4 o'clock I started. At that time, my youth age, my belly was always like a dog barking, Dog like dog eating always, a goat always eating, my belly also like that. If you give me food now, after 1 hour I feel again hungry. That now, whole day, once in a day, okay. But that time, I feel so much hungry, but I have only 2 rupees in my pocket. What to do? Then I went. I heard that it is implemented by Mahaprabhu because to destroy our ego. Cause Mahaprabhu, why he has such Madhukari system? To destroy our ego. Whatever our ego, I am coming from this high class family, rich family, dharma, Janma Aishwarya Sutosri. I am in the high class Brahmin, Aishwarya, I have opulence, I have looks, beauty, I have education, all type of ego. To destroy that, Lord arranged that system to do Madhukari, don't. But anyway, when I went there, just I asked Ma this award. Ma, I don't know, I never do Madhukari. But I know woman means mother. Ma means mother. Ruti uti kuch hai ma? Is there any kind of chapati available for me? Oh my mother. Then so many women from their window showing their face and they are telling, Baba, thoda sa ruk jaiye, I am coming. I am coming, please wait a little bit. And miraculously I saw that 16 hot chapati with smear with very fragrant ghee. It looks like pure ghee, not like mixing anything. Pure ghee. And top of that, they're asking also pickles, lemon pickles. So still my eyes become water now because of this. I taste very nice. And they're asking, Baba, do you have any kind of container for buttermilk? I say, I don't have. But if you want to give me, can we give like a plastic bag? You can put it there. What is this? Like poly bag. What is poly bag? Polythene bag. So he came. I came. After that, I came to Govinda Kund and ate. Not 16 chapati, I am able to eat. 4 chapati, because I have to walk long until Radha Kund. I started Radha Kund. Started Parikrama Radha Kund, I have to go, because still halfway my Parikrama. So anyway, it is the situation like that. It was a situation like that. So therefore, so we have to establish our main goal, what you want. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, যে যাবটে বিবাহ হবে, কি জানো শ্লোকটা, বর্জক বিভাব হইবে সবার, আর না ভাব রহিবে। তারপরে হচ্ছে পিব সরস্বতীর জল, মানে we have to drink the Saraswati Nadi's water and the river water and doing some Madhukari. Because Vrindavan, we have to destroy all our attachment, whatever we have. Then we are eligible to enter Vrindavan. Otherwise, physically we may stay at Vrindavan, but not in us living in one village. Dhamer sarus purive noyane hoiva radhara dasi means if you are not able to see the pastimes what Dhameshwar, the Lord of the Holy Dham, manifested in his physical presence time, that we have to see. Still he is manifesting that pastimes. When we are able to see that, then we can say, yes. Then whatever, whoever able to see that, they never want to leave that. And even so many our Guru Varga, they may stay at different places, but they are in spirit, they are always in Holy Dham. They are able to see that all pastime. What pastime? Mahaprabhu manifested in Jagannath Puri, Navadvip Dham. What pastimes Krishna manifesting here in Vrindavan, because I am in Vrindavan now. That I think so many times I explain about one incident, whoever realizing that, they never ever share with others. But one situation appear in order to save the life of Gurudeva disciples. The Gurudev, once he shared, he explained to her, in order to cure all your this uncurable, incurable disease, cancer, please go. Grow Vrindavan. When he was sitting in Calcutta, Chaitanya Gaudiya Math, 35 Satish Mukherjee Road, he says, go there. And there is a Keshighat, particular time, 3 o'clock, take bath. Krishna will take bath over there. After 3 o'clock, take 1 cup of water and drink it. Particular place, particular time, he explained. Same, 3 a.m. means English called same day, but in our Indian Vedic calculation, next day. Anyway, same day or next day, 12 or noon, Radha Krishna will enter Nidhuvan. From the door of Nidhuvan, take little dust and take it and put it in your mouth. Then wait for their mercy. Miraculously, that disciple, Gurudeva disciples, physically completely perfect. Almost 82 happened, this thing happened 82, 38 years ago. But doctor gave her prescription that she is in terminal point. In 3 weeks, she will leave her body. That is therefore I am using this word miraculously. So anyway, we are in the same topics because Prabhupada's Anubhasa is too big. Still, there is 1 paragraph left over. So, I will finish that tomorrow, this paragraph. Oh no, it is not left. It's too big. Oh, it's 2 pages more on this topic. Krishna Tare Toiche, Bhaja Toiche. In that regard, Sri Prabhupada explained so many. Jado Jagadhistatri Jagadjanini Mahamaya Onnanna Adhikarik Devatagon Sri Bhagavaner Bairanga Shaktiyo Birup Vaibhav Tahara Bhagavaner Ades Jagat Srishti Karje. But he explained what is the role of each god and goddesses. I can explain tomorrow. I think don't feel this, say same topics I am talking. But I try to make all of you understand. Also, I want to feel that I have to understand also. Therefore, I am reading carefully and trying to explain according to my realization. If you feel it is not important to explain, you know everything, then excuse me. Or if you think I have to continue it, then please send me the message. Yes, I have to continue. Then I will continue tomorrow. Otherwise, I will jump next. Next text means there is so many Kanta Bhav. There is so many explanations Prabhupada explained. Bhaktivinoda explained. And also Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained that. I can go next sloka. Hare Krishna.